Alright, random video. For the past 10 years, I try my best to avoid watching the news, mostly because I can't really deal with the bag of killings and the disasters we are going about the place. I not do good with bad news. That is until I book up on this story. We can all agree, isn't it? Death is a horrible thing, devastating. But there's one thing enough man willing for dead over though. One thing enough man feel like them can't live without. Front.
But wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Even Ritical come out and say, when it comes to crashes in commit suicide on the bridge, and with stories like these, me can't help but second this notion. So headline of the story, man in search of shoes meets tragic end. Now just like you and anybody else, me there wonder what could have possibly happened. You see me? The headline is weird, so I continue to read. Turns out the brother here come from West.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
The brother carry my filly going yard. Get up 4 o'clock in the morning saying one beat skin. Checking pocket, checking drawer. He don't have no shoes. So when decide for do, go over in Virgin yard and go ask. So this man get up. Matter still in the eye, mouth scar still there man more corner. Gone over in Virgin and ask for shoes. Apparently he get it. Now at this point he need to go back in yard, right? He have a decision to make. It's either you go walk through the front gate or you can scale the wall and go over your yard. The gate will take one additional 15 minutes. And as we say, we want to hurry up and get to it. You see me? So this man decided to go scale the wall. Start to jump the wall. You know, if I buck in 2 hours, but I still run through your abdomen and kill him.
I don't know. What the fuck, y'all? God damn!
Now I can hear the judgment already. You see me? Why not this so funny? Why make you laugh? I don't know, for some reason I just picture this man a skip, I sing, I go walk over in yard, bro. I get ready, you know. Have this end goal in my mind, ready. Just for me to one demise. Cha-cha. More of the story, lads. You see me? It never so serious. You see me? Use the front gate. That's all I can tell you. Right? Maybe I'll work on the next video. But just read this and feel like record this and send you out for now. I swear. Peace.